Hi, this is new edition Links Technology. We just finished installing our smart locks. So just want to show you how you open it and close it. Alright, so once it's locked, come to this place. This, as you can see,
Doors closed.
They want to open it, use your password, use your fingerprint rather, or the password. So
Enroll administrator first. Door open.